How to join Multiversus Discord. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to join Multiversus Discord. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on to the Discord app itself, make sure to visit your App Store or your Play Store and check on Discord if it is up to date. If you see an update button, just click on that so you will have the latest features inside the app. So the first thing that we're actually going to do is to open up our browser on your phone. So you may have Google Chrome, and for iPhones, just open up your Safari right here. And what you're going to do is to tap in your search bar and type Multiverse Discord and just click on search, and the first result that you should have is this one right here, that is Multiversus Discord. So that is the Discord channel that we are going to join to. So just click on that, and that will immediately open your Discord app, and that will say you have been invited to join Multiversus. And as you can see, it has currently 93,496 members with 22,000 plus members online. So if you want to join this Discord channel, just click on accept invite, and you will be opening the Discord channel immediately. So just read through these Discord rules of this channel so you can be a member and that can chat through the text channels. And there is also announcements right here. You can choose to follow that. There it also has the patch notes, the frequently asked questions. And if you click on the text channel, you can also see this little announcement right here that says you must complete a few more steps before you can talk. Just click on this arrow icon and read through these server rules. So you need to understand all these. Just click on I have read and agreed to the rules, that checkbox. Make sure that you have that checked, and click on complete right here. So that is how you can basically join Multiversus Discord. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.